Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Okay, it is important to note that disabling Google Assistant may limit or remove certain features and functionalities that rely on its capabilities. You should consider your specific needs and use cases before deciding to turn off Google Assistant on your device. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the Google application on your device. Well, after that, click on Profile icon at the top right corner, and then select Settings option here. Okay, and then on this page, will be shown several Google settings on your device, and to disable Google Assistant, you can tap on Google Assistant option. So here, select the first one. Well, and you can turn it off by pressing this button. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Google Assistant feature on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.